Congratulations on your new vehicle. We're excited to have you as part of our Subaru family. Getting a new car is exciting and overwhelming, but that's where I step in. My name is Makayla and I'm a delivery specialist here at Peltier Subaru. Come with me to learn a few tips and tricks on your Outback. Let's go. We are now in your Outback. Let's go over a few questions. First one we always get, phone pairing. So let's pair our phone. When we go into our phone settings, we're going to go to Bluetooth. We're going to scroll all the way down. Here, we're going to manage our devices. We're going to add and look for the name Outback to pop up on our phone. There it is, and we'll click on it. And there is a number, it pairs. We're going to pair and allow. And what it's going to do is the Bluetooth is going to connect from your phone to your car and make sure that you're able to use it. Now, if you have an Apple phone, then you're going to get Apple CarPlay requested. If you have an Android, it'll do Android Auto to be requested. So for ours, it's going to show up if we want to connect to Apple CarPlay. We press connect. It'll show it on the car as well. Press yes, no. And now the car and the phone are going to make a special Wi-Fi connection to make sure that your phone is now able to be used hands-free in your vehicle. Here we go, it pulls up. So now we're good. If we go home, another question we get is, what is this button? This is your driver profile. So you can make sure that whenever you're in the car and somebody else comes in behind you, that your radio stations that you like and your phone and any kind of sound settings that you have are memorized for you. Another question that we get all the time is going to be your AVH. So auto vehicle hold, or AVH, is going to be where you can do it as a brake hold or brake rest during a drive-through line or at a red light, or if you're just dropping somebody off as well too and you don't want to keep your foot on the brake. You just turn it on like so, and all you do is press in the brake all the way. When you see it flashing on your dash, that's how you know that it's actively working. Another question that we get all the time is the engine shut off at a red light when you're idling. That is the auto start stop. If you want to turn that off, you just press on this right here, and if there's no green light, then that means that it's off and it will not turn back on when you start going. Now, this is only a temporary shut off. It does do a hard reset and turn right back on when you turn the car off and turn it right back on. All right. Another question that we get all the time is, what is this beautiful thing? It is a driver monitoring system, and it helps to keep your eyes on the road. It'll let you know by a series of messages prompt on the dash saying, keep your eyes on the road, take a break, or stay alert. And it's basically just to help to make sure that you are staying focused on the road. Another thing that is going to be trim specific for you is your memory seats. You just set your seat to how you want, press set, 1 or 2, and there you go. And now your seat is memorized for you. Another question that we get as well is your home link. So we have up here our smart rear view mirror. If we turn it on, of course, we get our beautiful camera, and we just press this button right here and we scroll all the way through until we see the house. Press setup and just follow all the instructions that go through for setting up your garage door opener. Hi. Another question that we get is going to be, there is hands-free and memory height for your rear power gate. So your hands-free, there's a button that's going to be in the star cluster by your left knee. It'll be a little bit hard to see, and we'll show you at the end. As far as the memory height, when we go home, go to settings, you're going to scroll over to car, and you're going to scroll until you see power rear gate, and you set the memory height. And I'll show you that in the back as well too whenever we get there. But I have some cool little things about the roof rails that are built into the car. So let's go take a look at those. Peekaboo! Here's your built-in roof rails for you. We have a little latch that we just pull up here, swing this over, swing your other one over as well, do a slam down, and there you go. Now let's talk about the back. Remember how we had that hands-free? Well, 2 inches away, and it'll open right up. Now it's stopped like this because we put on the memory height for the power. So, say I want it this high, we're gonna press and hold on this button here and you're gonna hear a beep with it too. Once you do, you can let go, close it up, and the next time you open it, it's gonna go back to that height you had. So if we open it right back up, there it is at that height that we put it at. If you want an honest dealership that you can trust and a delivery specialist who appreciates you and is here to help, come see us here at Peltier Subaru in Tyler, Texas.